You know, the first thing I noticed when you started playing, I'm like, wow, that is a nice full tone.
Thank you.
That was awesome. You're counting, now this piece is not that easy because it's in 6/8. And you don't play in 6/8 a whole lot at your age, right? So you kind of have to have that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 feel. And at first, it was a little stiff, it was maybe like 1, 2, 3. But then you got into it and then it came out beautifully. Your style differs from that smooth, slurred part to your little staccato notes. Really nice.
Thank you.
You know, I was thinking about my day I spent in Venice. I spent a day in Venice one year, and we walked around. We had some pizza.